Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back, shaky cam again. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to be doing chicken tenders, just sounded good, and yeah, let's get to work. I'm also going to be doing mac and cheese, and I got a fresh corn on the cob I'm going to be boiling up, so yum. I'm currently working on the prep work. Need a good sharp knife. Henkel's, one of my absolute favorites. I'm going to be marinating this in yogurt like I did with my Thanksgiving Day meal. Then I'm going to coat it in panko and then deep fry. So I'm going to be deep frying yogurt, which I'm not sure will work, but I guess we'll find out. Trim off all this fat I don't need. Let's see here. I want to get them as uniform as possible. That way they'll cook evenly. I guess we got a couple of small ones. Okay. We're gonna go with the usual seasonings. We got garlic. Got a brand new container of paprika. Man, I love the Christmas time because everything goes on sale. Slap your mama. And probably doesn't need it, but I'm gonna throw it in there anyway. Actually I might wait on this. It's a parsley, but I might throw it in with the panko. I'm gonna throw in some yogurt, making sure to keep the yogurt and the chicken separate. Alright. So I got a little tip. Rather than buying those small boxes of cling wrap or whatever, I just bought a big box from Costco, and it's lasted a good long time. Put that in the fridge. Let that marinate. I'll bring everything going here. We got water for corn. Let's see. Yeah. Water for the pasta, and water for the frying. This is gonna be for the cheese sauce. Because I've got some white cheddar, and I got some extra sharp white, and then just extra sharp. Water's boiling for the pasta, so where'd I put it? Oh, right here. So 1 measured cup macaroni. Pre-salted water. Okay. Let's look. Where's my temperature gauge? Let's temp that oil. It's climbing quick. 330, 340, 350. Alright, okay. Well, let's okay, pause see if I can do this. I got my panko. Take my okay, so hard lesson learned. They were, oil was way too hot and they burnt. So, I wasn't thinking about the dial on the stove where I would normally fry at. 100% my fault. Damn, it's still super hot. Damn it. Well, live and learn, I guess. Alright, so I got 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk. It's not milk, flour. Get that stirred around. Waiting for the oil to cool down, but that cast iron is really going to hold that heat for a bit, so I can't have it too hot. I'll burn my next chicken tender. So we got some flour. Yeah, wait till I come back up to temp and thicken. See where it's at. See if I gotta add more milk or not. So the sauce is thickened up. Now I want to add my cheese. Get that cheese melted in there. And I'll go ahead and throw the pasta on. In. Actually, that's looking really good for mac and cheese. It's got a nice consistency. Actually, I'm pretty happy with that. I think I am going to throw in just a little bit more cheese though, just because. A little extra cheesy. Let that get all in there, all melty. Now what I do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the burner completely off and just let the residual heat melt the rest. But that's actually looking real good. throw in some salt. I'll add a little white pepper. Okay, you gotta season. Alright. So what I ended up having to do with this is I just completely turned it off. I'm going to turn it back on, but on the lower setting. See where the heat is at. Look at that. It's still climbing up towards 400 and it was off. The damn cast iron is holding that heat in. It's like, even though the burner's been off. So I'm gonna have to wait until it's completely way cold. Alright, so let me go ahead and eat what I have ready. The mac and cheese and the corn, because I'm not gonna let them just sit there and get cold. I mean, it's totally my fault for getting oil too hot. But I can't believe it was so 400 degrees even though I just completely turned it off. It's crazy how hot it was. So, go ahead and we'll try the, I'll eat the mac and cheese and eat the corn. Mac and cheese is quite good. I didn't care for it the first time I made it, but I think practice makes better. I got my corn on the cob, which I lathered in butter, and then I just put salt and pepper on it. Oh, it's still super hot. Youch. Well, I'll go ahead and eat this, and then I'll get back to the chicken. So, temps finally come down a bit. Well, quite a bit, actually. I'm going to go ahead and cook one. It might be a little low, but I'm going to go ahead and try it. Alright, color's looking alright. Get two more in. There we go. Chicken tenders. Oop. Now you probably already noticed I didn't edit out any of the little mishap because you know, things can happen in the kitchen, which is why I always keep a fire extinguisher. And my battery's flashing at me, so let's get the tasting before the battery dies. So. It's really good. Chicken's nice and tender too. Just like when I did Christmas. Of course I got a little Sweet Baby Ray's here. I almost don't even need it. Wow. I got a flashing battery, so I'm going to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, and all last week's video will be on there as well. And yeah, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.